Welcome back to another video. Today we're melting Carnauba wax flakes. So let's dive in. Since this hot plate it's not getting heated up fast, I will have to use this camping stove. So let's remove this. I will have to be really careful here and not to drop it. So I just made this stick, this stirring stick from olive wood. I will use isopropyl 99.9% alcohol just to cleanse out any residues and oils that it has. And I also have this metal aluminum tin. This is similar like you use to buy creams from the store, body creams and stuff like that, but this was not containing any cream. So I will also clean this with alcohol to prepare it for any residues. And I have also a second one in case I need. Carnauba wax is 100 grams in flakes, as you can see. And I will use this coffee pot to make a bain-marie style. So let's go. It has also this line which might cause the wax to stuck there and be unable to remove it, but I believe when it will cool down it will shrink, so I will remove it easily, I believe. Let's see. But first, coffee. I think I will use just the half of it because the amount is already enough. I think it smells a little bit like beeswax with paraffin oil, kind of. It reminds me. And I think it is ready. See. Immediately it got cold. So fast it gets cold. Because I remember its boiling point, it's about 85 degrees Celsius. It already shrinks. You see around the edges. Good. It's been about 15 or 20 minutes. and it's already shrunk, as you can see, and cool. Okay, it's warm, but you see. I think it's already ready to use it. I will let it rest for an hour or two. I think it took about 10 minutes in the boiling water to melt, so it is a pretty fast procedure. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful, and see you next time.